Hello everyone, welcome to Micah's coding class. Today we're gonna be continuing our brick game like in the last two videos. After this, the fourth video, and that's the final video. And today we're gonna be working on our functions, which we're going to do now. So let's kick into it. So now we're going to start with a simple draw function. The reason why it's called draw is to draw out our blocks. So let's continue. In that draw function, we're going to say current dot for each. Inside that for each, we can say index equal to blocks current position plus index dot class list dot remove, and then we're gonna call block. Like this is what we're talking about, block here in our CSS. So we're going to say block current position plus index dot style dot background color equal to, and then we're just gonna leave it blank. So here we're going to call, no, we're not going to leave it blank, and this is supposed to be add dot style. Style dot background equal to colors random. Now below here we're going to call the function draw, and now here we're going to call another function undraw. And then we're gonna, inside the undraw, we're gonna say current dot for each index equal to, and here we're gonna say blocks current position plus index dot class list dot remove block. And now we're gonna say blocks current position plus index dot style dot background color equal to blank, and right below here we're going to call the undraw function. So here we're going to create our control, so let's comment this out. So we're going to put our controls function control E, and now let's continue. If E dot key code equal to 37, and then we're gonna call move left function. Move left, which is a function we haven't created yet, but don't worry, we're going to create that. If E dot key code equal to 38, rotate. That's function we haven't created yet, but we'll soon do that. We will soon do that. So next, no, this is supposed to be else if, and here another else if E dot key code equal to 39, and we're gonna say move right. All these functions, we're going to create them soon. And then else if, this is the last else if, E dot key code equal to 40, and then we're gonna call the move down function. We also haven't created this yet. So now right at the bottom here, documents dot add event listener key up control. So if we raise our hand up of a key when we're pressing this down, then the control function is going to work. So we're gonna say function move down. Then we're gonna say if current dot sum index equal to block's current position plus index plus width dot class list dot contains taken. Okay guys, before I finish this freeze function, move down function, oops, this is supposed to be freeze. It's a freeze function, not move down, so we're going to do the move down function. So we're going to say function move down then we're going to say onDraw. We're going to call the function onDraw over here. Current position plus equal width, and we're going to call the draw function and the freeze function, which we're going to continue now. Taken. So in that if statement, we're going to say current dot for each index equal to blocks current position plus index dot class list dot add taken. So let's continue. Random equal to next random equal to math dot floor in that math dot floor math dot random hashtag d block dot length current equal to d block random current rotation and current position equal to 4, and we're going to call the draw function over here the display shape function we haven't created that. We're going to create that in the next video. Add score function and game over function. So that's the end of this video. So I hope you like, subscribe, try to do more of this on your own, and hit the notification bell so if I post any new videos you'll be the first to know. My name is Micah and this was Micah's coding class.